Alright guys, I am finally done with that Swords and Serpents series. Just want to try out some shorter games before I try another long one. And today I'm going to play Cops and Robbers for the Commodore 64. This is a game I liked to play as a kid. Didn't understand, could not get very far. Never beat it, of course. I still don't know if I can beat it. Last time I tried as an adult, I failed terribly. So I only have 30 minutes before I need to go to work, or get ready to go to work. So I'm going to set the timer, and we're going to get going. All right, timer's going. And hopefully the audio is not going to be messing around with me again, but we'll see. Okay, and actually I am going to do infinite lives, and you'll notice immediately it won't make much of a difference with me because I'm really, really terrible at this game. I'm not going to do unlimited ammo, not invincibility, not with torch keys and TNT, and not unlimited keys. So just infinite lives is all I'm going to take. Alright, here we go. I'm not going to do the intro because I don't got time. Alright, so we got this lovely guy who can walk sideways, which is pretty cool, I guess. You go around, try to collect diamonds, avoid the police officers. As you get diamonds, you get them back to your car. I never knew this as a kid, but you're supposed to get them back to your car. That's like banking the diamonds, so if you die, the diamonds, I don't think you have to get the diamonds again. Oh, they already died. The police officers are really unpredictable in their movements. In my opinion, at least. Yeah, so the diamonds are still gone. I actually don't want to kill all the police officers before you go over and get that diamond, because they'll just respawn on top of you. Yeah, and you move on this weird sort of grid. The laziness of the animation of you just being like walking up. Oh my gosh. That's what I mean by them moving unpredictably after we get that diamond again. Don't know if I'm doing a kill counter this time. It's a lot of work in the editing, but it is fun too, so I don't know. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. That one diamond right next to the spawn point. What? What even? This is a game where I can see that it is like theoretically possible, but I don't know who ever could beat it. Alright. Yeah, we'll go down here. Yeah, so we have these weird, like, cheat ghosts. Alright. The big one, you have to get the TNT and then shoot down at it, and then it dies. Oh gosh. A machine gun, man. Alright, I need to get these gems back out safely, because ain't no way. There's 3 police officers out here. Apparently my bullets disappear after a while. Whoa, that helicopter almost took my head. Yeah, another thing I never realized as a kid is you can reload your bullets in the car. So I would just run out of bullets and then die all the time. Gotta get this gem sometime, right? Oh! I don't know if you saw that, but one of the police officers was double stacked. So I shot him and killed him, and then there was still another one underneath him. Which you can't tell because whatever algorithm makes them move randomly, once they're in sync, I don't think they split apart very easily. Oh, the controls in this game are not good enough for this. Oh yeah, I can kill all you guys. Get out of here, get out of here. I'm getting that gem to the car. There's no way I'm doing that again. Yeah, this is like Grand Theft Auto before Grand Theft Auto. Okay, I cleared this floor, so I'm gonna go up. I don't know why it says A. Oh, why did I take this elevator? Oh, man. Oh my gosh. I'm out of bullets. Oh, I can't see. I can't see. I got no bullets. I'm a dead man. Oh my gosh. Okay. Man. And the game is like, as a kid, like this game is all colorful, it looked all interesting, and it just kicked my ass every time. Every time. I think a couple quality of life improvements, and this game actually would have been playable. There's so many cool ideas, like when the police catch you. Oh boy. I want to go back down and bank. So when the police catch you, you can actually use a key to go free one of your people. That's a really cool idea. Oh, the A's for Acme. On the elevator. Oh, oh. Oof. Gotta bank those diamonds. Gotta bank those diamonds. Oh, I just realized my timer is not actually going. Well, that's great. I guess I'll just... Oh, I died. Guess I'll have to just delete that timer off of the video since I forgot to activate it or something. I don't know. Okay. Don't know what to do with the safe yet. I actually don't even remember what you're supposed to do. But let's go ahead and get all these diamonds. Okay. It definitely changes the game now that I know that you're supposed to be banking the diamonds and reloading. Because I just would play for a while, run out of bullets, and die, so... That's kind of a different game than what I was playing. Oh my gosh. Right. Oh no. I forgot when I died I lost my key. Ugh. Okay. Well, let's bank these diamonds. Yeah. Go over this side. Oh no. Running out of bullets. Alright, all of these elevators go down because that's the top floor. Alright. Let's go bank these diamonds before I die. Boom, gotcha. Okay, so I need to go get... Oh! I hate it when they stack up like that. Okay. So... There's a key in the jail that I hate going in the jail. Because you have to walk past the spawn point to get out. There's a key in the mine. The big ghost stayed dead for some reason, which is cool. Alright. There's more to the mine, but you need the torch / flashlight if you're in America, because, you know. Come on. You know I'm gonna die here, don't you? I have no faith in myself. Alright, I'm going out this door. Hate these guys so much. Go! Helicopter. Bouncing around like a ping pong ball. Okay. All that just to bank one stupid gem. Whoa! Alright. Oh gosh. But I can't die. I have the key. Alright, let's get out of here. Gosh. These guys freak me out. Okay. I don't remember how this next part actually works. So, oh my gosh, there's 4 police officers in this level. Oh, dead. I gotta go get the key again. Let's see. I just go through the front door. Oh my gosh, I'm stuck. Movement is not fluid, by the way. Oh gosh. Okay. We'll say that was worth it. Alright. Hate going through this hallway. The police just get caught and they're like bouncing around like weirdos. Okay. Now I get to the top floor. Okay. And then I need to go out there. Oh. Oh, God. Just gotta be lined up with the police officer. It's So tight corridors are actually better for you in this. I mean, it could be worse. The police officers could have guns too. Oh. Oh gosh. Run, run, key. Run, run. Yeah, they obviously have some sort of pursuit AI behavior, but it's like super frustrating. Like, they get caught on walls and bounce around like weirdos. Okay. Let's make another go at this top floor business. I just realized there's another gem in that level. It was... oh, gosh. So frustrating. Okay. Get off of that elevator. Shoot that guy. Shoot that guy. Ain't taking no chances. Alright, now I gotta figure this part out. Because there's like a yellow C thing I can barely even see. Okay, so I just need to pay attention to what the helicopter does. I think I'm safe. Oh, I don't like where the helicopter... Yeah, I'm not safe in that corner, am I? Oh no. 235, okay. Okay, 235, 235. Ooh, ooh, 235. I don't know if that changes between lives. Okay, so that's the combination to the safe. Almost feel like getting more bullets. I think I will get more bullets, just in case the combination changes when you die. I don't want to start over from scratch. Alright. Let's force these guys. Oh, I can't get more bullet. Oh, I died anyway. What the heck? Well, let's find out. Will I finally beat this game and be free of this torment? Okay, there's the safe already. Boom, kill that guy. Oh, jeez. Not the best controls. It's coming for me. Oh my, oh. Oh. This guy has dodged like they're in the Matrix or something. Definitely another one of those things where it's like, if you ever beat this game in real life, I applaud you. I think maybe you could have found a better pursuit in life, but I applaud you anyway. Boom. Boom. I got hit just that double number. And a flashlight. Okay, well, I'm getting out of here. Because I guess I can go explore the mine. Oh. That's weird, I just kind of figured that, you know. gave me a bunch of money. I thought those were gems I was getting. I'm losing bullets. Boom. Apparently that's just kind of annoying. Alright, I'm gonna go down that bottom path and see if I can avoid these ghosts and not waste any more bullets. Oh my gosh. This is not helpful at all. I'd open a safe to get a flashlight. Okay, so they're all caught in there. You're kidding me. Am I running out of flashlight power? Yeah. My flashlight's dead. You gotta be kidding me. Well, I'm gonna go bank that one random little diamond I got. Or two, or whatever it was. Oh my gosh, this game. Ugh. Oh! Ow! Everything about this game is unfair. Oh. I'm out of here. Forget you guys. Boom. That's what you get. Oh my god, that goes spawn over here. The torch is worthless, really. Okay. Can't remember if I did get that other gem or not over here. They don't seem to be anywhere near me. Just like a dead end over here. Hold up. Wait. I did get down here? So confused. At least the ghosts are as confused as I am. Alright, whatever, I'm banking those. I can find my way out. Oh my gosh. I think I might be out of time in real life here soon. I still have 2 more diamonds to get. Oh, run. I'm gonna actually go back in. And back out. No, it doesn't seem to reset them, does it? Let me care. You can hear that button pressing. Ooh, what do you guys get? You wanna come for me? I'm gonna come for you. Ooh, ooh. Oh, helicopter got me. Okay, what time is it? Where I put my dang phone? Yep. Oh, the controls in this game. Like, you are stuck on a grid and you are not fast. The police officers are stuck on a grid, but they bounce around like maniacs. I didn't pay attention to what company made this game. Also, I am confused. I didn't realize the top path and the lower path connected. I mean, obviously didn't do a very good job exploring. My flashlight ran out of batteries. No, I'm not bitter. Come on. Come on. I don't even know if these guys can get to me. They seem to be behind a wall. Yeah. Come on. This game, invisible walls, and swords and serpents had invisible walls. I don't get it. I'm like, I want to do the labyrinth trick even here, okay? How do I get... What? I'm like feeling my way along all the walls. What the... Well, like I said, at least the ghosts are as confused as I am. I don't get this, though. I have felt my way along every single wall in here. Like one random narrow opening that actually lets me into the gem. I don't get this. And that'd be really cool. I have a torch right now. I have an idea though. Oh my gosh. I have something. I don't know if it's related to claustrophobia or something. But like, imagine, so it's not like exactly the feeling of being in a tight space. It's being able to not move. Like, it's one of the few times that I'll like physically react. Like, I'll be like, I'll like want to like Hulk out and just start like throwing punches. I just like cannot move my body the way I want it to move. And this is like triggering that for me. I'm like, cannot do this. I wish I had a flashlight. This is the absolutely hardest thing for me is... Ooh. I think I found it. Oh gosh. What? Alright. I'm kind of out of time anyway, but... What on earth? I thought I made a breakthrough, but I did not make a breakthrough. Oh, my hand is hurting. It's like right here. I do not get this. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna have to take a break. Sure, I'm out of time. Yeah, I am out of time, so I'm gonna take a break. I'm not giving up though, so you'll see me later today or tomorrow morning finish this out somehow. I'm not letting this rest. All right, bad news. Apparently when I stopped playing last time, I did not state the game properly, so I lost everything. So I'm actually just going to cheat my way to the end just to show you the ending and then show you how to get that last diamond I could not get. So let's see, unlimited lives, unlimited ammo, invincibility, start with torch keys and TNT, unlimited keys. Yeah, I'm just going to put all the cheats on. All right. And I just played this game and it still got the wrong controller on somehow. Okay. Helicopter just flew through me. Let's see. Doesn't really matter where I start, does it? So since I'm invincible, I'll just grab all the diamonds. I know, not very sporting. Might as well do the mine now that we've got that. Okay. Yeah, and we'll see why I did not get that last diamond. So you have to go over right next to where the ghosts spawn. Let's see. Go down this path. And there's wraparound physics for this one area. So that's why I can never find my way to that gem. I mean, how interesting. It's kind of actually that's really interesting. One side seems to teleport me, the other side seems to reload the level, which is really interesting to me, how they coded that. Well, anyway, I'm pretty frustrated that the flashlight runs out of batteries. Because that was hard, that would have been hard to figure out with the flashlight. And then not having the flashlight, I'm just left to just pushing up against the walls in the dark. I got a machine gun. Yeah, when there's no enemy collision, game's pretty easy, isn't it? Alright. And then this is the other gem I didn't get in the previous playthrough because it was right next to the police officer spawn point. Look at this, I can't even kill this guy, he's just on me. Don't know if I have to do the safe to get the ending or not, so let's just do it. I don't know if there's a different code each time either. So let's find out. Did I remember the wrong one? There might be a different code each time. Wonder if there's a... Is there a way to turn off that flashlight that I did not know? Is that part of why it was such a mess? I wonder if you go to the car, do you get more batteries? A lot of things I don't know. Okay, and then service level. The thing over there is just glitching out like crazy. What is it? 861, yeah, that's a different code. This game's like Grand Theft Auto, only not as good. It's kind of clever idea of playing a bad guy, though. I don't know what was the first game that thought of that, really. Eight, 6. Look at this. All right. Well, that should be all the gems. So after playing this brutally difficult game, here's our ending. Takes a while. And you drive off in your car, and the game just restarts immediately. That's it. Yeah, I don't know. Like I said, I liked this game as a kid, but I wasn't able to ever beat it. It was too insanely difficult. Even as a grown-up, I can't beat it, and I'm a little bit better. Well, that's going to be it for Cops and Robbers. I know I have some people who watch my channel that really love the old games like this, so you guys can let me know if you ever played this one. And that's gonna be about it. I'll figure out something else I'm gonna play.